The growing demand for Tesla products allows many people to access these products. Of course, Tesla is increasing their supply along with the increase in demand. Despite the number of Tesla users and the popularity of Tesla, only a few people know how to maneuver and maximize their Tesla and its features thoroughly. Hence why today, we are giving you tips and tricks to help you use your Tesla to its limits. But before you can do that, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Tesla vehicles come equipped with numerous features primarily accessed through the car's screen. However, some of these features may be tucked away in menus, making them hard for customers to locate. Consequently, customers may need to be fully aware of their car's functionalities. To address this issue, the speaker in the script offers to reveal some of the top tips, tricks, and secrets of Tesla vehicles to customers with the latest software update installed. By doing so, this speaker aims to help Tesla owners maximize the potential of their cars. Tesla has recently added Apple Music as one of its newest features. To access this feature, you can click the button located on the dock. This will take you to the Apple Music homepage where you can find your favorite music, including your library, radio, and browse options. To log into your Apple Music account, you can scan the QR code on the screen. With the addition of Apple Music, new media controls have been added to the car screen as well. These controls are now fixed on the screen, making them easily accessible at all times. The media control features include options to show related content, favorite songs, and sources. Additionally, a new search button allows you to search for specific content within the Apple Music platform. When you close the Apple Music app, the media control panel remains on the screen. If you tap it, the app reopens. And if you close it again, the panel disappears into a smaller version of itself. You can tap on the smaller version to return the media controls, which reappear on the screen. Lastly, it's essential to note that the shuffle and repeat buttons are available only for Apple Music and may not be available for other music services like Tidal. The speaker describes new features in the Tesla car that have been added in a recent software update. One of these features is the addition of Apple Music, which can be accessed by clicking on the button located in the dock. New media controls remain on the screen at all times, allowing the user to access the shuffle and repeat buttons easily. The update also includes a search function and the ability to link to My Q Garage support. The speaker also explains how to adjust the fan speed and temperature on the screen, which can be done by swiping left or right. Finally, there is a button that displays various audio settings. Tesla has added a new feature to its recent holiday update, which also allows users to host Zoom meetings directly from the car's infotainment system. The feature is accessible through the screen, however, the placement of the camera and the screen may affect the video quality as the camera is placed above the screen. Additionally, the car's audio system switches to an audio call when the driver switches drive mode, but the video call can be resumed when the vehicle is in park mode. The holiday update also includes an Easter egg called Santa Mode in line with the holiday season. This feature can be accessed from the toy box, enabling users to play Christmas music while the car's display turns into Santa's sleigh. One feature is the ability to schedule a light show for your car, with 2 different show choices and music playing from your car's exterior speakers. Another feature is Rainbow Road, which turns the road into a rainbow using autopilot. The speaker also gives a tip on how to access mirror settings, which are located in the main controls menu under Mirrors. One setting many people may not fully understand is the Apply Brakes with the regenerative brake is limited, which applies regular brakes to mimic full regenerative braking when the battery is cold or nearly 100% charged. This can help drivers adjust to the change in braking when regenerative braking is unavailable. You can also link multiple driver profiles and keys to ensure that each driver's settings are automatically adjusted. Another essential feature is the Screen Clean mode. This feature allows you to easily clean the car's touchscreen display without triggering unintended actions on the screen. When you activate this mode, the car's touchscreen display will lock. To activate Screen Clean mode, you can go to the display settings and tap the Screen Clean mode option. You can use a soft cloth designed for monitors and displays to clean the touchscreen display. When you finish cleaning the screen, you can exit Screen Clean mode by tapping and holding on the screen for a few seconds. The display will then return to its normal operating mode. Of course, we have the dashcam. This feature uses the car's built-in cameras to record video in a continuous loop, which can then be saved to a USB drive connected to the vehicle. To enable the dashcam feature, owners must first format a USB drive in the FAT32 file format and create a folder named TeslaCam on the drive's root directory. Once the USB drive is inserted into the car's USB port, you can activate the dashcam feature by going to the car settings and selecting Safety and Security and then Dashcam. From there, owners can turn on the dashcam feature and adjust various settings such as turning on honk recording or changing the video quality. One of the most valuable features of the dashcam is its ability to save clips when it detects a potential collision automatically. When the car's sensors detect a collision, the dashcam will save a 10-minute video clip, including footage from the 10 seconds before the crash. This can be incredibly useful for insurance claims or legal disputes. To access the footage, owners must remove the USB drive and view the files on a computer. Mostly, you'll likely use maps as your primary screen and rely on them heavily. Although it's a fantastic map integration, sometimes only some information you're looking for will be displayed. For instance, I can't see any superchargers at the moment. However, you can easily access the options you need by tapping the screen once, and they will disappear by tapping them again. The chargers option shows all the chargers in the area, and tapping other destinations is possible. Traffic can be turned on and off, and switching to satellite view is possible with these options in the top right corner. In navigation, the ETA is at the bottom and the next step is at the top. Adding stops can be done by clicking the 3 dots. The added stop will always be the first. To reorder stops, click Edit Trip and tap on the lines to change their order. Settings allow for various navigation settings, including going home or work navigations, depending on the time of day. Swiping down allows quick access to navigate home or to work. To delete a destination from the destination history, swipe on it, but unfortunately, there is no batch delete option. Another exciting feature is the ability to share a destination from your phone to your car, which is done by clicking Share in Google Maps and selecting the Tesla app. The dock, a customizable menu of frequently used apps, can be edited by tapping and holding an app to delete or rearrange it. It also has excellent controls such as heated seats and a steering wheel, which can be added to the dock for quick access. Additionally, the script mentions a safety feature called Joe Mode, which reduces the volume of the car's chimes and is helpful for those with children. All Tesla cars now come with an HEPA filter as a default feature. This filter is used for standard filtration when taking air from outside the vehicle. If you want to take it to the next level and use the bioweapon defense mode, you can access it by tapping into climate controls and pressing the button. The bioweapon defense mode makes the car and vents very loud, and you can turn it on using the app under the climate menu. The app also allows you to customize your vehicle's dock and quick controls, and you can even add fart as a quick control. If you want to upgrade certain things like full self-driving or premium connectivity, you can do so under Settings and Upgrades. Sometimes, Tesla vehicles may encounter issues. The best way to fix a problem on screen is to reboot the car. You can do this while driving by pressing and holding both scroll wheels, and after a while, the vehicle will start. In the Bluetooth menu, If you need to change Bluetooth settings, click Connect Phone, even if your phone is already connected. Within the pedals and steering menu, you can choose the stopping mode, including creep, roll, and hold. The hold is recommended as it maximizes the range and provides the best one-pedal driving experience. You press and hold the park button to engage the secondary parking brake. To go into neutral, you press halfway on the stalk. Car wash mode is also available under settings that lock all doors and windows and put the car in roll. Another feature is the MyQ integration. It is an innovative garage door opener system that allows users to remotely control and monitor their garage doors using a smartphone app. Tesla has integrated MyQ into its vehicles, allowing Tesla owners to open and close their garage doors directly from the touchscreen display. To use the MyQ integration in a Tesla, you'll need a compatible MyQ garage door opener installed in your home. Once a compatible MyQ system is installed, you can link your MyQ account to your Tesla's touchscreen display. To do this, go to the Controls menu on the touchscreen and select Home Link. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your MyQ account information and connect the two systems. Once you've linked your MyQ account to your Tesla, you can use the car's touchscreen display to open and close your garage door. You can also use voice commands to control your garage door, making it even more convenient while on the go. Tesla vehicles also allow drivers to set different temperature settings for different zones within the car, such as the driver and passenger zones. In addition, Tesla's climate control system can be controlled remotely using the Tesla mobile app, allowing drivers to pre-cool or preheat the car before getting in. With the growing demand of online meeting platforms, Tesla launched the Zoom app in their vehicles. With that, you can participate in meetings while on the move by joining them directly from your Tesla car. The app uses the car's built-in camera and microphone to connect you to Zoom meetings. Video is available when the vehicle is parked, allowing you to enable your video and see other participants' videos and view their shared content. Only audio is available when driving, but you can open your video once it stops. Another exciting thing is that Tesla has various fun and festive features built into its vehicles, such as the Santa mode, introduced during the holiday season. This mode changes the car's dashboard display to show a sleigh flying through the snow and plays festive music through the car's speakers. While the Santa mode is specifically designed for the holiday season, Tesla may introduce similar ways or features for other holidays or special occasions. One more thing is Tesla's Light Show. This feature allows drivers to create an impressive light display using the car's headlights, taillights, and turn signals. This feature is accessible through the Toy Box menu on the car's touchscreen display and by selecting the Light Show option. Once activated, the car will play music and create a synchronized light display that will impress anyone watching. Sometimes people may need help finding the mirror settings they want to adjust because it is not located in the usual settings menus. Instead, you need to go to the main controls menu and click on mirrors to access it. Here you can turn on and off the mirror, auto tilt, auto fold, auto dim, and make general mirror adjustments. One new setting that people may not be familiar with is the apply brakes when the regenerative brake is limited. Regenerative braking is a feature of electric cars that uses the car's motor to slow down the vehicle and recharge the battery. However, regenerative braking is limited in certain situations, such as when the battery is cold or close to full charge. In these situations, the car may use regular brakes instead of regenerative braking, which can feel jarring for drivers who are used to the smoothness of regenerative braking. So there you go with our Tesla tips and tricks for you this 2023. Now you can maximize all your Tesla features and enjoy them all. Let us know which tip and trick you learned for the first time. We'd love to hear from you. Just leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also, if you liked this video, stay updated by clicking the notification bell. We have more luxury videos coming your way only here at Luxury Mindset.